Could switching to Carco really save you 15% or more on car insurance? Are oranges annoying?
Hey! Hey, Gecko! Hey, Gecko! Hey!
Yes, mate?
You're an apple.
Actually, I'm a gecko.
What the hecko is a gecko?
Well, I'm a lovable type of lizard, mate.
A blizzard? You mean like a snowstorm?
No, obviously not that.
I think you're still an apple.
I'll have you know, I'm one of the most respected car insurance spokespeople in the business.
Hey! Hey, Gecko!
What?
Car! Whoa! I guess he had to run over to a friend's house.
Great! Now who's gonna give us a ride?
Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more.